Hello, everybody. This is your boy Terry Borskovich, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I found one little box of Topps Chrome 2020, and I actually love these cards. The quality of these cards are really good. So I'm going to do a little unboxing video, something short. Before I get into it, if you like comic books, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Pokemon. This is a shout out to my boy at MyBlingBling21. Go check out and follow his page. He does really good giveaways. I won one. I'll show you what I won in a few days. But go check out MyBlingBling21 on Instagram. And thank you. You'll be seeing this soon enough. But let's open this box. No delay, no hesitation. I gotta bring out my kit. Here we go. This, I said no delay, and then an instant delay. And it's like they don't even want me to get into this. But I got into it. I solved the puzzle. Four bonus sepia refractor cards. We'll open that last. Alright, so this is 7 packs. Or what is this? 7 packs plus 1. So I believe it's 32 cards. Let's get into it. Pack 1. And like I said, I really like the quality of these cards. That's why I like doing the unboxing. So we got Chris Bryant. I don't have too many, so all of these cards will be new. Followed by Aaron Judge. Ba-bam. Rafael Devers. And rookie Michael Baez. These are nice. Focus, camera, focus. Yeah, look at that, folks. All right, let's get into it. And I don't know, well, this is a retail pack, so I don't know if I'm gonna get an autograph. Corey Seager, yes. Cha-ching. I cannot pronounce this guy's name. Aquino. All right, I got a Sandy Koufax card. Yeah. Followed by it. I'm gonna just show this card. This is nice. Oh, I won't focus. There you go. And Aaron Nola. All right, so that was it. I like that little pack because I don't have any kind of Sandy Koufax cards, original or any kind, in any form, like 0 inserts. Okay, I got Kikuchi, Adrian Morejon. Oh, Future Stars, Victor Robles. This is an insert. Victor Robles and Jordan Yamamoto, rookie for the Marlins. Okay, that was a good little pack. Let's see what we got here. Dun dun dun. I'm liking these inserts because I didn't even check what kind you could really get. Brian Anderson. Who's this? Sheldon Noose. Rookie for Oakland A's. Paul Goldschmidt. Followed by Jonathan Shoup. No, my bad. Anthony Santana. Nice card. I don't know who that player is though. I'm not quite sure. Trey Mancini. Randy Alzarena. Aristides Aquino. Andreas Nunez. So that was like all rookies. That whole pack was rookies. Some of these rookies I don't know because this season is 2 months long. The divisional playoffs start tomorrow. Cool. Albert Pujols. Tyler Glasnow. Austin Meadows. This card looks super nice. And Hunter Dozier. Okay, this is the last regular pack. Let's see what we get. Ramon Laureano. That's a nice card. I should sleeve these up immediately. Eugenio Suarez. Zach Collins, rookie card. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. All right. Okay, there goes all the regular cards, and here we go. Here are the refractor cards. So hopefully, a Mike Trout, Aaron just pure all the good players. Oh, well, we got Manny Machado at the end. I saw that. There's Ronald Guzman. Nick Solak, rookie card. Alex Young. Followed by last card of the day, Manny Machado. That's probably the catch of the day, folks. All right, folks, thank you for watching the video. I got some good pulls, nothing too crazy. I was hoping for a Ken Griffey autograph, but you can't win them all. So yeah, and just another shout out to my friend Bling Bling 21. Go to my Instagram, Terry's Collection. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 followers. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. And thank you for tuning in, folks. I'll see you next time until the next box cards.